Hello again, guys. We're back finally at the gym. Welcome to a new vlog. I missed the gym probably 8 to 9 days due of heavy workload at the hospital. And I give you a tips again, guys. Make sure if you're out of that long, make sure to take extra 10-15 minutes stretching and warm up to avoid any kind of serious injury. And today, probably is gonna do the most basic and common routines dumbbell bench press because I'm not gonna go like heavy or difficult kind of routine because about 8 to 9 days missing is the gym is not too easy, guys. I have to tune up again every muscle area, guys, because if you just jump in, you miss that day, pretty sure you're gonna be strained, sprain, or injure yourself. Yeah, every time, guys, just take it easy, slowly, and you'll be there. And now we're gonna go to that area right now because the gym is a bit busy, so I waited again for another couple hours. Okay, let's start cracking. Okay, once it is done, and every time don't do with the heavy weight, start with the lighter or free weight. So that's about 22 22 pounds. So gonna do next a 25 pounder. Okay, let's do it. Okay, two switches down, two more to go. Okay, tapos na. Almost na rin, man. Almost. Okay, guys, it's a bit heavier, so 50 pounds. Okay. Holy smoke, guys. That's heavy. That's about 50 poundage. And sorry, or I apologize if I didn't upload a lot of videos. Well, I will try because right now at work is totally massive, super busy, guys, and I'm not into a YouTube part-time all full-time yet. So I will try my very best to upload more video every week, probably 3 or 4 times a week, because big plans next year. So I cannot wait for next year because we can do more video vlogging in the Philippines, because here, guys, it's kind of strict a little bit. So there's a big plan next year. I hope nothing will change on that, because I'm pretty excited, because 2 months it's a good vlogging vacation back home, guys. Well, and probably we call it for the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.